Welcome this video. Kitchen design idea transforming your cook space. Welcome back to the channel. Today we divide into smart space and functional kitchen design idea that can complete transforming your cook space, whether you are renew, build new and simple fresh the look of your kitchen. So let's get started with functional layout. A beautiful kitchen is now without a layout that work. The most popular and effective design is the work your space and reference space for a smoke part that read and the owner step while cook and make the kitchen follow. If you have a smart kitchen, consider or a one wall or gallery layout was step everything streamlock layout kitchen can benefit for an L shape and U shape design give more controlling space and unavailable add you have the room at become gift change game change for growing story and setup. Choose the right color palette. Color palette a match room in setting. The tone of your kitchen. What's a modern timeless look? 2. For natural look with while and bring those shade make the kitchen feel bring and more special. If you going for a bold contemporary vibrant build growing and make build cabin with gold hand wall or backspace to keep the room for look and upgrading your cabin. Upgrading are the back bin of your kitchen design for a fresh and sleep appear handline cabin and soft cook far become popular. Another trend is to tone convenient dark low cabin along upgrading cabin. This add depend without overwhelm the space. Its budgeted target you do need new cabin. Simple reference theme add a new heading and install glass doors can make a big difference.